Hey y'all, welcome back to the DJ Outdoors channel, guys. In today's video, I have an Airgun slug review for you guys, okay? Guys, I went on eBay and I bought 4 tins of these Apolo 25 caliber 33 grain slugs. Guys, these things are made in Argentina and they come in a 200 count. And I've never shot slugs out of my Hats on AirTac QE, but we are about ready to do that. Guys, we're going to shoot steel down at the Airgun range. We're going to shoot a paper target, see how well they group. Now, normally, I shoot JSB Hades out of my Hats on AirTac. They're 26 grain. So when I bought these, I tried to get as close to the 26 grains that I possibly could. Now, they do make 30 grain ones, but I could not find them on eBay. I paid $17.99 a tin for these. And let's check out the pellets real quick. Guys, look at these things, man. They look clean. Clean. Okay? Nice and shiny. They're a hollow point slug. Okay? Here they look like hollow point. And, yeah. If I can get it turned around. Right there. And we're going to go out to the Airgun range and see how well these things shoot, see how well they group, and just have fun. So y'all stay with me. Alright guys, so we ain't been down to the air rifle range in a while. This should be a really fun video. Let's go. Oh look, there's a bird sitting right there on the power line, just sitting there. That's kind of cool. I'll probably scare it off. Yep, there it goes. Cool. I'll see you guys when I get all set up. Alright, y'all. So here we go. 33 grain Apolo slugs. Hollow point. There is some lead shavings on the tin lid, as you guys can tell. But they don't look like, it doesn't look like there's anything wrong with the pellets itself. Or with the slugs, I'm sorry. I'm going to empty a couple of these in my hand. And get ready to shoot. Alright guys, I've got a white rabbit down there. You guys can see it right there in the center of your screen right there. Okay, and we're going to go for the center of that rabbit. I don't even care if I hit the paddles or not, but I want to see just how accurate this thing is for you guys. Here we go with the loading of the first pellet, or slug. They don't seem to fit like super tight. I can push it down. That's a good thing here. Okay. And here we go with the first shot. Well, I hit it. You guys heard it. That's awesome. Second shot. Hit it again. And third shot. I actually think I saw the paint chip fly off for that. I either hit that or I missed it. Let me take one more shot first. All right, I hit that one. Let's go down and check out the target, guys. Alright guys, so I haven't shot this thing in a while, but it looks like I definitely hit right here. I may have hit right there, and maybe some in here, maybe 2 of them right there. Or I nailed that paddle, which is why I thought I missed. So that's why we're going to put the piece of paper up here, the target, the gopher, which I actually left in the house. I have to go get it, and then we'll see how well this thing groups. Alright guys, I taped the gopher target up here. We're going to go back to where the air gun and tripod are over there. It's about 12 yards away. And then we'll probably go up there by the shed, right here by the end of the zero turn, where that little white piece of PVC pipe is for holding my arrows. In the archery range, that's actually 40 yards. So from here, I don't know, 25 yards maybe, and we'll see how well that does too. All right, guys, 12 yards, 33 grain Apolo slugs, 25 caliber. Let's see how well they group. And I think I'm gonna do 4 shots each. See how well they shoot. Here we go. First shot. Second shot. And I hope these do well out of this air rifle. Again, never shot these before out of here, so who knows. Third shot. And fourth shot. Now guys, remember, even though this is a pellet review, sorry, a slug review, every air gun shoots ammunition different. So I could have 2 hats on AirTac QEs in 25 caliber like this, and one may like the slug, one may not like the slug. All right, let's go check out these shots. Check this out, guys. Here's the shots right here. Okay. Not too bad with open sights. Not too bad of a group. Looking at these holes, do you guys think those last 2 tumbled? Those first 2 are like perfect shots. Perfect holes in there. But these last 2 may have tumbled a little bit. Let me know what y'all think. Alright guys, so we are back here by my shed. Got my rangefinder out here. I'm going to range find the gopher target from here. I'm going to try to go for a headshot with open sights. 27.7 yards, and I really like this rangefinder because it vibrates when it tells me the yardage. So hopefully I can hit a 27 yard shot with open sights. 4 shots. I'm at a little bit of an angle here, but that's all right. Like I've said before, this is my best shooting air rifle. So yeah. Here we go. First shot. I hit the wood. This is really going to test my skill right here. So yeah. Second shot. And it'll be good down there to see how well these things are grouping from that distance, so who knows. Third shot. And here's the final fourth shot. Alright guys, let's go check out these shots. Looks like I jerked that last shot. If I even hit anywhere near the head of that gopher, I would be thrilled. But Lord knows if I even hit it. Well, that don't look too good from that distance. It looks like I hit one right there in the belly, 2, 3, and 4. Not too good. So yeah. I got 6 slugs left in my pocket here. I'm going to bring it back down to 15 yards. See how well I do there, just for the fun of it. Alright guys, so like I said, I've got 6 slugs left in my pocket. I'm out here at about 15 yards. And we're just going to try to hit the, let me back up a little bit. We're just going to try to hit the saw blade. And, you know, I think with a little bit of dialing in, this may not shoot bad out of this air rifle. Well, here we go. First shot. I hit something metal over there. I heard it. Holy smokes. Whoa. That had to leave a big old dent. That thing just went. Wow. Definitely hit it that time. On shot number 2. Shot number 3. I jerked that shot, but I nicked the saw blade. I'm going to turn you guys around here so you guys can see the target, and hopefully I hit it. These things are packing a punch on that target. Packing a punch. You guys see that saw blade down there, the orange saw blade. I'm going to go for it, okay? With these next couple of shots that I have, and then we're going to go down there and see the saw blade. So hopefully I can hit it for you guys. There we go, I nailed it. And I believe I got 2 more pellets in my pocket. We'll shoot those too. Well, I dropped one. Dang, son. Alright. I found out I had 1 more pellet left in my pocket that I didn't realize I had, so. Last shot. Because I just dropped another pellet on the ground, so. Ah, I missed that shot. Oh well, that's okay. Alright, so I'm walking down to the target. We either got big holes in that saw blade, or just really big dents in that saw blade. We'll find out, won't we? Holy cow. Check these dents out, dude. Wow. You guys can tell where each one of them slugs hit. The super gray spots in here, like right up in here, right there, up at the top. So if I missed, it looks like I barely missed. Holy smokes. How? There's a nice little dent right there in that thing. Wow. All right, y'all. So that's been today's airgun slug testing video. Did I do bad? I don't think so. Am I going to take shots at 30 yards with that thing? Not with open sights, and I don't want to put a scope on it. I squirrel hunt with it, and it's hard for me to follow squirrels through a tree with a scope. And I've just always had better luck with open sights on my air rifles. So yeah, guys, not too bad. Just got to get it honed in. And I think I did really, really well. I mean, I missed a couple times, but that's all right. But y'all remember, like, comment, subscribe. Remember, Jesus loves you. Remember to push. Pray until something happens. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.